What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, virus free. Okay, everyone. Hi, Christian.
Hi.
What a time to be alive.
I know.
Oh my God, Jay just got here. Oh, hi, this is what I'm gonna be wearing today. Hi, baby, how are you?
How are you? How you been?
I'm good. How are you?
White.
This is stunning.
Nothing yellow here.
Oh my God, never. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Jay had a little surgery. We'll talk about it later. The world is at a crazy place, Christian.
I know.
I also just got Botox. Look, I have a little lump and a little bruising right here.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice until you showed me.
We'll talk about that. There's
Yeah,
a lot of changes happened. Oh my God.
I haven't seen you in like a week.
I know, a few weeks I feel like.
Yeah.
A lot of changes have also happened in my home, but we're gonna do that in a separate video. You know, Mr. Kate transformed my entire spa.
I've been waiting
It's
to see.
Beautiful. That will be on their channel and we'll show it off as well.
Cool.
Hi bears. Hi honey. Oh my God. It's been announced that dogs cannot get the virus. I'm afraid of saying the C word. And I don't mean only because I heard that YouTube's a little like, you know, are they kind of weird about it? Or like, well, I think because if anyone is gonna spread misinformation, they don't want it monetized or, I don't know. So I don't know what words I'm allowed to say today, but I mean, the world's weird, right? Like a lot's happened since my last makeup review. A lot's happened, so let's sit down here. We're gonna get ready today. We're gonna get ready in this quarantine environment. Everyone out there watching, I think the world's in a really weird state now. I looked at my last, I know drama, my last makeup review was end of February, and then things really got serious in March.
Right.
And I'm just like...
It's like we went from this to like...
Literally. And like the fact that there's real cities on full lockdown, there's so much happening, it's just really overwhelming. So we're gonna talk about everything today, but also a lot of people come to my channel to escape all the craziness out there. So we're gonna talk about things for a few minutes and then really, we're gonna get ready. We're gonna have that beautiful hair laid. We're gonna get my makeup done. I'm too tired to do my own. Okay, I'm gonna be really honest. We're gonna try some new Anastasia mascara today. And we're also gonna go pick up a McLaren. Because what do you do in Jeffree Star's quarantine? You're gonna see today. Oh my God. Okay guys, so we're getting ready today. Now, you may see a few lumps on my forehead. I got Botox, yes, for the first time. I know no one believes me, they think I've had it forever. I've never had it before, never needed to. And I felt like, bitch, it's time to quarantine these fucking wrinkles while we're all sitting here. So I hadn't left the house in 6 days and I was getting a little stir crazy. So I went down to Dr. Kirby, Mr. Will Kirby. He really took care of us. I'm gonna insert a little footage of me getting it now because it looks a little wild. Because the world's ending, let's get Botox for the first time. All right, Dr. Kirby.
Here we go. Do a little tiny pinch around 3.
Okay.
3 little pinch.
Oh, good morning.
Doing okay with that?
Yeah, not bad.
And people realize novice injector mistake is to go too superficial.
Okay. Good morning.
These little aliquots are
it doesn't hurt
very
at all. I'm
normal.
being stupid.
It's not bad, right?
Nah, it's like a tiny little tap. You've been my doctor for 10 years, never done it?
I think even longer.
Yeah, longer.
Really surprised for me here? Okay, great. Go ahead and relax. 5 to 7 little injections in that area will serve you really well. And those are, at the risk of self-aggrandizement, placed really well. Now get very surprised for me if you would. Okay, great. Go ahead and relax. You're gonna say, why didn't I do this years ago, by the way?
People don't believe me that I've never done it. Oh, hi. Look at Kirby's next victim. Yes. Are we just doing a little touch-up on Madison, or what are we doing today?
It's been a little while. It's been about 7 months since she came in for her Botox.
Oh,
so she's
wow.
really good. Really surprised for me here. And relax. She's entirely too much movement.
I love...
Calm these down.
I keep her busy. And then her lips are about to be ready in case everyone's wondering what's happening over there.
It's numbing.
She did not do a bukkake. It's numbing, everyone. Relax. Woohoo, bitch. She was looking like Rocky Road with that forehead. It looked a little gnarly, so I have a little bruise and a little bump right here, which is going to go away. It's literally on day 2, so... Lord. But I feel good. Do I look any different, Boom? What do you think?
Your skin looks so flawless. I mean, it's always been perfect, but I really feel like it's really tightening your skin and it's just making you a little bit more snatched.
Have you guys had Botox or no?
Yes, definitely.
Fully tox.
Oh, okay.
All the way.
I love, okay, I just felt like, I don't know, because I don't move my face a lot anyway. Come on, training.
I'm all into the cosmetic.
Yes. So I feel like it was time. We're just dipping into the Jawbreaker palette, Chris, okay?
Oh yeah?
That classic, girl.
A throwback.
That sold out classic.
Pro must have.
Okay, my next collection and palette is so sickening. So I don't know what's gonna happen with the world. It's slated for like end of April. I know it has nothing to do with 420. It's so much sicker than a 420 moment. But we are gonna have some 420 merch and some cute hoodies. But the next collection, Kristen, you know that Vinci got neutered.
I know.
Da Vinci Lin, he's on day 7.
How you feeling?
He's doing really good. Huh, boy. How you feeling? Huh?
She been fine.
I know, mama took your nuts away, dude. I'm so sorry, just life. It's really good for their health long term, and it was time. The question is, will he still do a handstand while peeing? He's done it a few times, but he's peed way more normal than ever.
Wow.
Yeah, so we'll see.
That's weird.
Okay.
His boss were lifting him up.
Yeah. No, I still do handstands when I pee, but that's for a different video. Okay, so we're not gonna do a full review today on any makeup, but the new Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. It is the Lash Brag mascara. It looks like this. I definitely wanna try it out. I've been hearing really good things. Oh, hello, wand. Hi, that's what she looks like. All right, let's give it a whirl. Come on now. Come on, lashes. Ooh, okay. Clearly we're gonna put on falsies today, but you gotta have your lashes just have a really nice coat. Okay, the brush is easy to work with. It looks cute. This brush is thick. I love it. It's coating everything really easy. Bam, top lashes are done. Ooh, okay, so you can see definitely the bottom lashes. This side has the full mascara, this side has none. It looks really pretty. It's very like bedroom eyes. It looks very sultry. And I just love how the lashes look. Yes, bitch. All right, let's do this side. Okay, mascara is on. It looks really pretty. I like it so far. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. Now, let me see them lashes. So many people have been asking, what lashes has Boom been putting on you lately? So, let's talk about it, honey. They're really big. So what is the brand called?
It's Cami Nguyen, and she's based out of Redondo Beach. She's amazing.
Okay, and these are called Dime Piece.
Dime Piece.
Now we're gonna take these out. Now these are really fluffy and really long.
A little spiky moment.
Oh, I love it. So he's gonna trim them down a little bit so they fit my lid. And then you guys are gonna see. We'll do one so they can see the difference, because bitch, it's a movie. Oh my God.
Stunning Lynn.
You see that, Chris?
Oh yeah.
The difference a lash makes is so crazy. It like pulls everything together. One more lash and I am the vaccine, bitch. Woohoo! Okay, lashes are on. Oh my God, these are so stunning. Ooh, what's in that box?
We have Pomeranian salt and pepper shakers.
Oh my
Yes!
God.
Oh my God, look at they kiss. Oh my God, look at it comes out of the head. Inky! Look at these two though. They really do kiss. Oh. Oh! Very cute. All right, so what does Jeffree Lynn do during quarantine? Besides get my hair and makeup done, sometimes I like to just sit around the Louis Vuitton bench and just do a casual moment of reading and relaxing. Have you seen this in person yet?
No, never seen this.
Isn't it massive?
It's so much bigger than I expected.
I'm almost 6'1", and look at, I feel little.
It's like a giant's bench.
Yeah. So I like to just sit here and read. Sometimes I like to watch the sunset over here, and it's just nice.
Hey, Lishy, what's going on?
So I'm probably gonna put this in the garden, Chris, but I think for now it looks cool here.
It looks really cool
It's
here.
very like, how does it look from far away? This is 300 pounds of wood and steel.
This is 300 pounds?
Yeah. Like
Jeez.
you cannot. Ready?
Oh, you got a little bit off.
Bodybuilding, not today. Look at Vinci doesn't care. He's like,
What's going on, Vince?
whatever. Yeah, isn't it cool?
It's so sick.
It was in Paris at the runway show for Virgil for his Louis Vuitton, his last collection for them. And I saw it and I was like, will you sell me this, please? And they said, okay. Isn't that insane?
I love the little like accent red.
It's so cool. So I think it definitely needs to go in the garden, but I'm gonna keep it here now. It's a good photo op. Okay, look at so there's rainbows in my house because of the elevator, and like every few minutes it changes.
One on the wall.
Where? Oh, look, the big one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this angle. It's brighter on the corner.
Oh, whoa.
Look, it was on Vinci's tail. Look, look, look. Oh, Vinci!
Oh my god.
He was on his tail. Oh, dude! Come on, Vinci, let's go. Vinci's the elevator pro.
Well, the sound is different in here.
Is it?
It just totally changed for some reason.
Oh. By the way, this never gets old.
No.
Like, I know I live here, I bought this house, it's mine. I pay the taxes, but this doesn't get old. Okay, I have to show you what I got. It's kind of cool. Good morning. Oh, hi. Look at this refurbished from the 90s.
Oh, this is refurbished.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whitewater, it's such a fun game.
Whoa.
Okay, so in the wine room, ready? I got Red Bull to send me a grocery store size machine.
God.
This is so dope. Look at the size.
Dude, there's so much Red Bull in there.
The new watermelon one is so good. Have you tried this yet?
No, I haven't. I'm not like, I try not to drink as much soda, but I would. It looks
It's
so
iconic.
good though.
So we've been going ham on those, but yeah, isn't this epic?
Dude.
I'm like, I don't drink, but definitely into this.
I love that this is in your wine cellar. Like,
Yeah,
this is
this is
like
so
this is
dope.
your wine.
All right, I threw on a tracksuit. Now it's time to head off to Burbank, which is like 30 miles away. Now, normally with traffic, it'd take an hour and 20. LA has the worst traffic, but no one's on the road, and it literally says 25 minutes. So, my McLaren has been there for almost, I think, 3 months, and it's all transformed. Everything is hot pink. So, I'm nervous, Christian. Should we just go? Let's go see it.
Let's go.
Come on, guys, let's go.
So,
Hi, we're here.
it's pretty crazy.
What's going on?
So, they're wiping it down. They're getting it ready.
Okay. Lysol and Armor All?
Yes.
Yep,
Fully,
yep, yep.
fully sanitized.
We're going into a quarantine zone right now. Okay? Barbies and supermodels only.
So I'm doing my rolls finally for myself. I'm finally doing my own car. So I'm doing it all copper with a brown candy. So
All
it's gonna
copper. That's cool.
Be pretty crazy. Root beer candy.
Whoa.
With copper.
Okay, and then obviously, my 1965 rolls is the next transformation. So we haven't even seen the McLaren, and we're already on to the next project because we're that crazy. Here she is.
Here she is. The before. This is the before. Then we got to get a whole bunch of during because
This is gonna be
during is going to be pretty crazy.
So tell everyone, how long is this project for a full real transformation? Modern engine, full paint,
I would
interior,
say
like this needs a lot of love.
12 months.
Woo! That's cool.
So
Okay.
a year from right now.
Okay. All right.
Mark that on our
I love
calendars.
that. Whoa. That's cool though, because it's something to look forward to, and it's a really big project.
And there's gonna be a lot of like involvement I'm gonna need from you. Like we gotta get this paint like on point.
Okay, so one of the most famous pink cars on the planet is Paris Hilton's Bentley that they transformed. And it's over here. We gotta just say hi to it. Oh, so iconic. I know it's high up there, but that's one of the most famous pink cars on the planet. Shout out to Paris. It's dope. God.
Cause you never even saw the paint.
No, I've never even seen the paint in person.
Yeah, I forgot.
Holy wow. Ooh, look at even this. Look at this. Holy sh**.
So you see, it's the light paint.
It's
the dark paint.
Look at the sparkle. Oh my god. The inside though, I already am like dying.
Yeah, when you sit in it, is like that's.
Oh my god. I don't even remember what it looks like. Like the orange. Woo! That's the craziest shit I've seen. That's so dope. What do you think, Chris? This is so
Next
sick.
level for sure.
Wow. Seeing this much pink in my face is like a dream.
I mean, it's it's perfect too.
Wow.
It is so. to me, it's like,
Yeah, it's next level. What do you think, Chris?
I mean,
I'm shook.
I think it outdoes the Lambo.
It does outdo it, huh? Yeah. Wow. It's ready to take off. What was the most difficult part about this? The inside?
wait, let me hear a good story.
What?
So you want to hear today's story, or you just want to hear the whole story?
Wait, what happened? It looks so incredible.
It looks so good.
Wipe down this edge right here.
This is what makes it pop.
It looks epic. Look at the sparkle in the key. It's sick, huh?
So sick.
Okay, you guys, this is, I don't even have words for it. This is so iconic. It's time to get on the freeway and give this bitch a spin. I cannot wait to break some necks on the 101. Oh, hey there. Oh my god. How do they all look together lined up?
So good.
Oh my god! Wow. The fact that they're all different shades of pink is so sick. I really wanted the signature Jeffree Star hot pink. That was the first unit carton we ever made for our liquid lip. And this color was definitely missing in the collection. Oh my god. Look at the 570S, it's just so dope. Like, the fact that you can see the glitter inside, thank God. Because that sparkle, I wanted to mimic like an eyeshadow. You know, like I wanted some glitter to
I mean, it looks crazy with the sparkle.
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching a day in the life of me being quarantined. It's time to turn the car off, go upstairs, take 20 hits, and see what happens tomorrow. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.